Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. This video is going to be very different. It's actually very new, totally different, because when I did my best deals ideas for this ad for CVS starting February 9, I asked what you guys suggest for me to do in my best deals, and you guys suggested to include a 10 off 50 CRT as you see here, or share some deal ideas that don't include any CRT. So I am doing this video on this ad, so I did listen to you guys. So if you have any other suggestions or any type of best deals you want me to include, let me know in the comment section. You could also write it on that video if you like, but let's get started. So on this video, you're gonna see 3 different deal ideas that I put together, and this deal ideas is how you can make a haul that reach $50 before coupons, so you will be able to use only this CRT, so no other CRTs are included on this deal. And these 3 deals could vary. It could go from 7 cents each up to $4 moneymaker. Just keep in mind, because most of these are beauty items, you qualify to earn the $3 free ECB for the beauty reward, since you will reach $30. Like I mentioned, it's for CVS. It's for the ad that starts this Sunday, February 9 to the 15th. And like I mentioned, there's no other CRTs included on these 3 deals, only the 10 off 50. But if you have any other CRTs that don't have like a limit, then you will be able to even save even more. So let's just get started with the first one. The first one is going to include $18 for everything, $18 each, and it will include Nivea, Tresemme, Gain, Tide, and NYX. So all these items will be included on that haul. So I'm going to show you exactly what you will need one by one, so that way you have an idea what the deal looks like, what the coupon looks like, and then I will put it all together in one haul for the first deal. So the first deal you would need to put in your cart, in your shopping cart, is 2 Nivea lotions. Hopefully you find this in your store. They retail for $4.99, at least this size. And the deal is buy 2 get 5. I did this deal on this week's ad that started February 2nd. I had no issues, no problems with it, and the total came out to $9.98. You're going to use 2 coupons. Right now there's printables, so if you don't have any printables, this will be perfect for you. Or if you don't have the inserts, you could actually print those before they're no longer available, and they're going to be provided right below this video. You're going to be able to print those, or if you could just get them from Smart Stores February 2nd. So from $9.98 you will pay $5.98. You will get back 5, making it 49 cents each. And as you see, there's no CRTs. I'm just showing you individually what the deal will look like if you prefer to do this deal on its own. So the next deal is the NYX. As you see, is 2 for $11.98. We sometimes see this more like during Black Friday. And once you buy 2, you will get 10 ECB. It does say free because I do have this CRT deducting 2 off, and this will be perfect for you to pair it in your deal. I did say in the beginning there's going to be no CRT, so I'm not including this in the final deal, but I'm just showing you in case you do have it, you could actually get this item free. So buy 2 of the NYX lipstick, no CRTs needed. But if you have this one that is just 2 off the lip, you will pay $9.98, get back 10, making it free. But in this case, it will be $1.98 for both. So the next deal is, this is a very different deal. This is, you have to buy 3 of these products, and it says your choice will be $4.99, and it says $5. It's letting us know that we're going to be getting coupons, digital. Some are coming in the Sunday's insert for this Sunday, February 9. I did this video showing you the inserts that are expected to come on February 9. You could check it out and see that there are coupons for Gain and Tide coming as well. So hopefully that's not regional. So if you're able to get those coupons, buy 3 of these. I would prefer if you buy 2 of the Tide, 1 of the Gain, but guys, it's up to you. It depending which one you prefer, which coupon you do have. The option you have is you could actually print this in the website from P&G Everyday Savings or Everyday. In the website, just be careful when you print it, because they usually expire the next day. So you want to make sure you know to print it the day you're going to go couponing or the day before. There should be also one in the app. And also we're going to be getting Gain coupons. We might be getting some Tide as well in the Retail Me Not February 9. So use 1 for Gain, deducting $1. And 2 for Tide, deducting 2. You will pay $9.97, but you're going to get back 5 for buying 3, making it $1.66. But this is just individual Just letting you know what the deals are. This does not qualify for beauty, so that shouldn't be there. And the next item to get is Tresemme Premium or Dove Dermacare. So it is a premium. It has to be the one that looks like this shape. So buy 4 of those. They're going to be 2 for $10 or $5 each. So right there you reach $20. Never mind the CRTs. You will not use the CRTs for this haul. So just buy 4 for $20. Use 2 coupons that came on this paper. Retail me not February 2nd, deducting $4 for every 2 that you purchase. So you're going to use 2 of those. And then you're going to pay, remember, all in one transaction. And for buying 15, you will get back 5. So what are we going to do? Now that I mentioned everything you're going to be putting in your shopping cart for this deal one, if you prefer to do this deal, you're going to buy everything that I mentioned: 2 of the Nivea lotions, 2 of the Tresemme, 4 of the Tresemme, 3 Gain and Tide, 3 in total. NYX, 2 of these, and right there your total should be $56.93. So what coupons you're going to use? All the ones that I mentioned. You're going to use 2 for the Nivea, 2 for Tresemme. Tide, you're going to use 2 for Tide, 1 for Gain, and there's no coupons for NYX. But if you have that CRT that I showed you previously, you could use that. But as you see, I did not include it because I did mention no CRTs besides the 10 off 50 on this deal idea. And then you're going to use that $10.50, 10 off 50 CRT. So you will pay $29.93. But guys, I'm going to give you a heads up. I don't like to pay this much out of pocket. So if you have some CRT, some ECBs from previous transactions from this week, or they're about to expire, then hand them in. All those, roll all of your ECBs, so that way you pay less out of pocket. Hopefully you have some ECBs with you, so you could roll them and you don't pay $30 in one shot out of pocket. So hopefully you have that. Another thing you could do is do some of those deals that I mentioned in that other haul, or in the other best video. So then what you could do is, for example, if you buy Physicians Formula, or you do the L'Oreal deal that is going on, that is going to be printing a $10, deducting 10 off 30 instant coupon, then whatever ECBs you get, then you could do it on this transaction. I just want to make sure that I make it clear that I really wouldn't want you to pay $30 out of pocket. It's a lot of money. So if you do have ECBs with you, they're about to expire, then roll those in, so that way you pay way less out of pocket. So what's going to happen after you pay? You're going to be getting all these ECBs. You're going to be getting 5 for Nivea, 5 for Tresemme, 5 for the Gain and Tide deal, and 10 for NYX. So in total, you're going to be getting 25 in ECBs. And you're going to be earning $3 in beauty ECB for buying beauty products, making this your final price of $1.93 or 18 cents each. Such a great deal. And this is just using one CRT just to make it a lot easier for you. So let's go ahead and move on to the second deal idea. The second deal idea, it would be a little different. In this case, it would include Tresemme, Eucerin, and just NYX Cosmetics. This one as well, you're going to be able to reach 30 for the beauty to earn that 3 ECB in beauty. So for the deal idea, I already went over the Tresemme and NYX, but since I didn't go over Eucerin, I'm going to go ahead and do that just on this section here. And once you buy these items, everything should come out to about 7 cents each. So let's go ahead with Eucerin. This one is spend 20, get 10. And this one might vary for you because the prices do vary in store. Some of these lotions, they may go from $9.79, $10.79, depending how much it might be in your store. But let's say you do find them the same price, then you go ahead, you have reached the $20.58. The coupons you're going to be using is from Smart Stores that came on this Sunday's paper. You see the coupon here, deducting $3. But if you don't have the $3 from this Sunday's paper, there are printables. I would suggest you go ahead and print those. It is $1. The printables are for $2. But if you print those, I didn't see that it has a specific size. So you might be able to buy 3 products that are smaller, that are about $6.79 or so. And print 3 if you can, or print 2 and select one from the CVS app. Just in case, you could have those in hand, depending what you may find in your store. So let's say you do find this one and you have those $3 coupon. You will pay about $14.58, but you're gonna get back 10 ECB. But remember, we're just trying to reach those 50 off. Use that CRT. So I'm not gonna mention NYX or Tresemme because we already went over it. But what are you gonna do is you're gonna buy those 2 Eucerin lotion, the Tresemme 4 of those, and you're gonna buy 2 of the NYX lipstick. You have reached 52.56 with 8 items total. And you're gonna use the coupons that I mentioned. Eucerin, if you have, sorry guys, if you have the $3.50, $3.50, if you have the $2, depending which one you may have. If you use the Tresemme deducting $4, use 2 of those. And we don't have any NYX coupons. If you don't have any CRTs, it's okay. And then you hand in that CRT deducting 10 off 50. So from 52.56, you're gonna pay 28.56. Hopefully you rolling some ECBs there, so you pay less out of pocket. And you're gonna be getting 5 for Tresemme. You're gonna be getting 10 for Eucerin, and you're gonna be getting 10 for NYX. That's a total of 25 in ECB at the end of your receipt. And it should qualify for $3 in beauty, making this everything here 56 cents or 7 cents each, which is such a great deal because the only CRT you used was the 10 off 50. So now let me give you the third deal idea, and this one will be a nice money maker. But it also depends on the price you find in your store. This one is the Eucerin lotion and the NYX. So this one will vary in your store, like I mentioned, because the prices are different. And this is one of those cases. The Gillette razor might be a different price. I did this deal about 2 weeks back. It was buy 2 get 8, and it was a money maker because I had a CRT. But in this case, we're not going to be using CRTs. We're just going to go ahead and do this deal. If you find it for $8.99 or you find it for $9.59, it depends on your store. But let's say you find it for $8.99, buy 2 of those. Use 2 coupons from the PNG or from the app. There's one in the app. You could go ahead and select it, and you will get $8 at the end of your receipt. So that's the coupon here. It doesn't expire till February 22nd. So the deal idea, the third deal idea, and the last deal idea, guys, I hope I'm making it really easy, and I'm trying to give you different options so you could actually do this whole and take advantage of this CRT that's 10 off 50. So go ahead, buy 2 of the Gillette, buy 2 of the Eucerin lotions, buy 2 of the NYX lipstick. So right there you have 6 items, and they reach $50.54. You're going to use those coupons that I mentioned, and you want to use this 10 off 50 CRT. So once again, is the price to pay is about $26.54. Roll those ECBs so it will be less out of pocket, but you're going to get 8 for Gillette ECB at the end of your receipt. You're going to get 10 for Eucerin, and you're going to get 10 for NYX, and you should earn $3 in beauty ECB, making it free, and $4.46 money maker. Such a great deal. Many deal ideas that I kind of like put together on the ad that's starting this Sunday, February 9. I try to bring different ideas for you guys using no CRTs, just using that 10 off 50, and just taking advantage of the deal that's starting this Sunday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give me a thumbs, so that way I know you like this type of videos. And if you're new, I invite you to subscribe. And if you like this type, just let me know you really like and would like to see this more for the following ads that are coming up. So thank you guys for watching this video, for your support, and I hope you're having a wonderful week, and until the next video, bye.